your car as intended, you get a healthy buildup of carbon, tar, oxidation and grime around the exhaust tips. Cleaning and restoring a shine to the stainless tips is easy, with a nice grouping of products and techniques. With the tips being cool, spray on some orange agent all-purpose cleaner to dwell and loosen the heavier carbon and grime. Grab a flathead wheel brush with a double solution of car wash in the bucket, then unceremoniously get it up the pipe. The in and out, round and round technique works a treat. Spray orange agent into a detailing brush and get to work, shifting the heavier grime from the tip. It's important that this doesn't dry so the grime cannot bond back onto the surface. Quickly rinse off with water, not getting too much inside the exhaust. Then grab a Dirty Deeds microfiber cloth and dry it down. Normally this is all you'll need for a quick cleanup, but if there's a heavier carbon buildup or a lack of shine, it's time to give them a polish as well. Get a second Dirty Deeds cloth, folding it long ways with a few dollops of our liquid metal polish right in the middle of it. Wrap it around the tip and then use a sawing motion at different angles to polish right around the outer tip. Add a couple of extra dollops to the cloth and continue on to the next pipe if you've got one. Then give some attention to the inner ring by hand. Our metal polish's residue actually washes off with water, so you can simply re-wash the area once you're done, or wipe with the damp Dirty Deeds cloth used when you're drying the tips, flipping it to a dry side for that final buff. Another thing is the metal polish also seals and protects, so it'll help keep the new shine that little bit longer. Now it's all clean and shiny, it's time to head back out and have some more fun. Thank you for watching.